Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to create a profile on the Instawork app step by step so you can start applying for shifts quickly and correctly. First, download the Instawork app from the App Store or Google Play and open it. Tap on Sign Up to begin creating your account. Next, enter your first and last name, your email address, and your phone number. Then create a password for your account and tap Next to continue. Instawork will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Enter the code in the app to verify your phone number. After that, the app will ask to access your location. Allow location access so Instawork can show you jobs near you. You can also enter your address manually if you prefer. Now, you will be asked to choose the type of work you want to do. Select the job categories that match your skills and preferences, such as warehouse, hospitality, or event work. This helps the app find shifts suited to you. Next, upload a clear profile photo by tapping the profile picture area and selecting a photo from your device. Then, add your work experience. Tap Add Experience, select the job type, enter the company name, and the dates you worked there. You can add multiple experiences if needed. After that, upload any required documents such as certifications or permits by tapping Upload Documents. Some jobs require these to qualify. Finally, review your profile details and make sure everything is correct. When you're done, tap Submit. Your profile is now complete and you can start browsing and applying for shifts. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.